Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. So I've got a couple of errands to run today. Excuse this situation. He's just chilling. I've got a couple of errands to run today. I've got to go to doctors, vets, things like that. So I was just going to put on a real quick face and I thought what a better time than to film and show you guys my quick makeup tutorial. So usually with my everyday makeup I can normally have it done within sort of anywhere between sort of 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm just going to run you through the rundown. This is the current favourites as well that I'm using. So all the products that I'm using in this video are currently my favourite. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first product I'm taking is the MUA Undress Your Skin. I'm using this as a primer. This is like my favourite primer and it was only 99p, which is just insane. So cheap. I will put links and everything below, so if you guys want to purchase these products, you know where to get them from. But this just gives your face the most nice illuminating skin. It really, I just love it. Even if you're not going to put makeup on, it just makes you look so glowy. And I would love to use this on holiday. It also has the most amazing smell. It smells like talcum powder. It's just incredible. I absolutely love it. What is this bum doing here? You just need to chill, sir. Chill. Next is one of my all-time favourite foundations. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. This is a very full coverage foundation. I love it. It just covers everything so well and just so quickly. So that's why it's one of my favourites. It also lasts all day. Like if you guys are looking for a foundation that lasts all day, that's not going to come off, or even like a good one for the evening, this one is incredible. I find that I have to be a little bit careful with how often I use it just because it is so heavy. It can make you break out like if you were to use it every single day, but it is just absolutely insane. I picked mine up from Debenhams. You can just get it from Debenhams, but it just is such a good foundation. I'm yet to find a foundation that has the same coverage because this just covers anything. Like honestly, absolutely anything this will cover. And this also just looks insane photography wise. It just looks, it looks so good in like photos and anything like that. It just is so easy to use. It just blends so well. See what I mean? Like, hello, who is this person? Who is this person with this skin? Okay, so next is my all-time favourite eyebrow pencil. You've probably heard about this so much and you're probably sick of it. It's the Revolution Pro Ash Brown Pencil. Again, it comes with a spoolie, so I love it. And I just find it so easy to use. It's just the perfect colour as well. It's such a good colour. It's not too dark. It's like an ash brown and it just matches my eyebrows to the T. Isn't this weather so cold at the minute? Anyone else feel like this weather has gone really cold all of a sudden? I know obviously it's December, but I just feel like this year's gone so quick. Where has this year gone? I mean, I haven't even started my Christmas shopping yet. I'm that typical person that will do their Christmas shopping like a week before Christmas. I don't like going out this time of year, like to the shops and stuff, because I just find it chaotic. And everyone just seems really like aggy and I don't know, no one's happy to be doing it, I feel. You know, wherever you go, I feel like people are arguing over parking, over like the silliest things. This is definitely that time of year where you get all the rows. And do you know what, it's funny because every single year I say to myself, I'm not going to do it this year, I'm not going to leave my Christmas shopping till last minute. And what do I do every single year? I leave my Christmas shopping till last minute. I find Christmas is getting harder as well because, you know, it gets to a point where you don't want to buy people crap presents, like you want to get them something they genuinely want. But when you ask people what they want, they just go, I don't know, and it's like, I don't know if you don't. Like we're all screwed now. So then I'm going to go in with my new favourite concealer. I love this. Again, this was 99p. It's the MUA Pro Base Argan Plush Concealer. This is like one of the best concealers I've ever used. The coverage is absolutely insane. It just covers anything, like any spots, any blemishes, any dark circles. It is just insane. And for the price as well, like, what the hell? What the hell is going on? I would normally reach for my Kat Von D concealer, because again, that is a really high coverage concealer, but that is 20 quid, I think, or like £22 in comparison to 99p. I mean, you just can't go wrong, really. If you guys haven't tried this concealer, I don't know if they sell it in Superdrug. They might do. I'll have to have a look next time I go in, because they obviously have like a Makeup Academy section. But if you guys haven't already tried this concealer, just get it. It's incredible. Amazing. Amazing. It's amazing. It's just so amazing. Okay, so then I'm going to finish my base. So I'm going to take the Superstay by Maybelline. What is this? It's a foundation stick. So I just like to do this just to tidy up anything that I can tell is still not covered, but I like a very covered base. You know, I like my skin to have that Facetune sort of look. I don't wear makeup every day. This is a point that I really want to raise. I do not wear makeup every day. If I am at home or I'm working from home or something like that and I'm not filming, I will just not wear makeup, just because I actually feel more comfortable sometimes not wearing makeup. Sometimes it's nice to just not have something on your skin and just to feel comfortable with not wearing makeup. And I remember it took a long time. It used to be such an issue for me. I could never go anywhere without makeup. Not even to the shops. I'd be like, no, I've got to put makeup on. And it's nice when you can actually just go, do you know what? I just don't care anymore. I'm not going to wear makeup and I'm going to enjoy it, you know. So then next I'm taking my powder, which is the e.l.f. finishing powder. This is, again, one of my favourite powders. This is quite a light powder, like lightweight powder, but it does also add almost like a HD powder effect. It just also gives you a little bit of coverage as well. Mine is quite dark because sometimes my foundations can wash me out a little bit, and I am quite tanned anyway, so I do have to sometimes just have that dark powder. And I will sometimes also go under the eye with Laura Mercier, but when I'm in a rush I can't be asked to bake, so I just tend to grab this, and this is good enough. So the eyes, I don't do anything. I have Russian lashes. I don't have to do anything. I'm just going to go in and put my favourite mascara, which is the Autograph mascara. You can pick it up from M&S, and I'm just going to pop that on the bottom lashes. And I love this mascara. It saves me so much time because I literally only have to go over my lashes once. Sometimes I may go over twice, but 9 times out of 10 I can just get away with going over once, and it just gives you like the nicest lashes. I feel like sometimes there's so many makeup products that are literally hidden gems that no one knows about or no one really knows are amazing, and it's things like in shops like M&S that I would never. So yeah, like me personally, I would never go into M&S and think, oh, I'm gonna go look at their makeup, because I just wouldn't. You know, normally if I'm looking for something new, it will either be online or somewhere like Debenhams that has the counters, or Superdrug or Boots. That's like my go-to. I would never ever think, oh, I'm gonna go into so-and-so and try this, and just randomly, because I just wouldn't. I remember when New Look released their makeup and I absolutely loved it. And now for some reason, I don't know if they've stopped doing it everywhere, but in my local store, they've stopped selling it, and I loved it. I thought it had some of the, like, some really good product. Okay, so now is contour. Again, I've got a new favourite contour. This is the Rimmel London Highlight Contour and Blush Trio. I actually sometimes use the highlighter, but the actual contour colour is my favourite, just because it is such a good colour. And I just have to go over these chins. I'm currently doing a diet as well, which is more about losing a little bit of weight, toning up, but also just getting a bit healthy again, because I've got into the habit of just eating unhealthy, which is just not good. Fish face. I actually have like my shape face, and some of you will probably be like, do not understand this, but it's been something that's been bothering me for years now. I have a heart-shaped face. It doesn't matter how much weight I lose. my cheeks are still quite, not chubby. Chubby is the wrong word to use, but they do stick out a little bit. I may be getting something done in January. Not surgery, but I may be getting something done in January, which I'm going to share with you guys. So, because it's bugged me for the longest time now, and I don't think really anyone else pays attention to it, but I really can see it, especially like here, and it just really annoys me, and I know, again, like, it wouldn't even bother some people, but, you know, for me, I can tell, and I genuinely am a believer, like, people that, if you're not happy with something and you feel you really want to get something done, you've done your research into it, you're feeling really confident, you know, I'm definitely not a judgmental person. I don't judge people that have had surgery or anything like that. You know, I think if that's what you want to do and it's your body, you do it. You do you. Just love that contour. It's just beautiful. Okay, so then for the lips, I've got a new favourite duo. So it's the Exaggerate Lip Liner from Rimmel London. And this is in the shade Addiction 018. So I like to just overline with this a little bit. And this is really creamy, so it's really easy to use. Really easy to use. And then I like to take my Avon Anew. This is called a lip plumping lip balm. It's not really lip plumping, to be honest. But it also just has a nice pink shade, and it just adds a little bit of coverage to the lippage area. And then I'm going to take the Baked Tri-Blend Highlighter by Barry M. This is going to be my highlighter for today. So let's do this. This has got like a nice golden colour, but without being too gold. Can you see? It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love this. I feel like the colour is spot on. Just a really nice colour. So pretty. So pretty. And then to finish off, we're going to go for the Rimmel Insta Fix and Glow 2-for-1 setting spray. Give it a good shake. I love the smell of this. It smells like watermelons. It'd be nice in the summer. Okay, so this is my finished makeup tutorial. So today it took me approximately around 14 to 15 minutes. I was just checking the time on there. And this will last all day. It's a really long lasting face. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Every subscription means the world to me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mm.